This is the MacBook Pro 13-inch unboxing from JimWashCloud.com.
Having trouble.
Wow. Okay. So you can see, nice box, pretty decent. There we go. Very good.
Wow.
Wow. Impressive design. Okay. Got the actual 13-inch MacBook Pro and a little film cover thing. Voila.
That's a good screen. Wow.
Nice. I'm impressed. Chiclet keyboard. This is one with an integrated battery, so it should be getting like supposedly 7 hours of battery life. But we'll see how that works out. Snow leopard. So I guess I do have to upgrade it myself because they give me the disc. Power adapter. And manuals. That's about it. MacBook, power adapter, and snow leopard. Kind of a shame that didn't come with the display port though. The display port to DVI.